Get 90% of consumers who rely on Google reviews to select your business by soliciting their feedback through our survey tool. Welcome to part 4 of our 4-part series about the features of the Reputation Tracker and Survey tool. Now let's see what your clients or patients are saying by getting into the Reputation Management tool, which is paired with the Survey Solicitation tool. This tool allows you to solicit for internal feedback and boost your review count. The survey tool can be completely customized to gather practice-specific feedback or simplified to try and boost your review count. Let's take a look at the overview section. You are given all of your statistics for the surveys you've sent in this section. You'll also see the Net Promoter Score and your average client rating. This allows you to track your progress based on your desired survey questions. This is a great way to track your improvement when changing practice-specific procedures or processes within the office from your direct client feedback. When you click the Settings button in the upper right-hand corner of the survey tool, here you can access the survey form to customize your questions, manage what review platforms are solicited, and customize your survey with your logo. You can click the Edit button in the Questions section to edit your survey questions. You can place them in the order that you wish by dragging the question that you want in a specific order, or even add your own custom questions. If your goal is to drive up your review count, I would recommend not having any more than 2 or 3 questions in the survey. Even something simple like, how satisfied were you with your visit? At the bottom of this page, you can configure how the survey responds to specific ratings. A Show Feedback field will allow that response to be sent directly to your practice without having a public review posted on your review sites. You can designate a rating score between 0 to 6 for this. The Show Review field and social media sites will thank them and prompt them for their feedback on your configured social media platforms. For this, you can designate a 9 to 10 rating score. So that will do it in its entirety for our Reputation Management tool. Now you've got our super actionable tips to take advantage of boosting your SEO and Google ranking. And check out help.imatrix.com for more info.